I wanted to make an easy invite that you can share with your party guests. You will need fake blood, a snack-sized Ziplock bag, and an adhesive tag with your party information. Let's start with the fake blood. You only need 3 ingredients: flour, water, and red food coloring. Mix all the ingredients together until you are happy with the consistency. Once you have your fake blood, it's time to print and cut the party info. I made my invite in Photoshop and used my cutting machine to print and cut it out. I used adhesive paper, so now I will just peel and stick it to the front of the bag. I covered the label with some wide, clear packing tape to preserve it. Add all of the fake blood to the bag and seal tight. Hand deliver to your guests and make sure to have plenty of snacks on hand for all of the ghosts and ghouls. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.